Now, as I said earlier, tonight is our a fundraising night for the bushfire. So if you haven't donated, please go and see our girls at the front table there, and they will receive your donation. Ia le ta hai pata mo na ya pe mo wa thi nia to chen hu ni na wa mu pa chen nen ku nia kho ku nia sư che yo tiền ni shen ka lo no ni chu chi ta tao pa nia to wa kho cái cô nhiên là chị thọ còn nên mùa chỉ là ở trong sản nhân là có trong đó nữa ấy họ giờ tiền đi cho và họ xã tàu đến tàu và mùa ở dưới xe nè tất cả lòng này chị thọ còn nên họ muốn chỉ là chân sản là thế là mình khai rồi nên tiền này chủ sau đi trả trong tàu thêm. Okay. Our next speaker sẽได้ทอกันนี่สถานมันกวยเจอปิตัวนี่นะว่าหนอตัวต่อมงตัวถอนหายเอาไปละหลุดไปเนอะ Okay, our next speaker is Miss Bloven Halfpenny. She will representing the Premier of Victoria. So can you please put another bigger pose for Miss Halfpenny?
Thank you. Look, I'm really pleased to be here. Of course, you are. The Epi Memorial Hall is in the electorate of Thomastown, so I come to many functions here. But first I should acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, and we're celebrating today, and pay my respects to elders past and present, and all those Aboriginal people, leaders that are emerging, and anyone that may be Aboriginal or Torres Strait Island here today. I'd like to thank the Hmong Australia Festival for the kind invitation. This is my second function that I've been invited to and very happily attended. I'd like to thank Dr. Powell, Austin, and all those committee members and members of the Hmong Association. Maybe, I don't want to talk for too long, but I just think the devastating and terrible bushfires that we've experienced, throughout Australia, it was a great tragedy with the loss of property, lives, wildlife. But one thing I find when I come to events like this, that people, these tragedies also bring out the best in people and humanity. And to see you coming together to organise a fundraiser, to provide funds and support and best wishes to those that have been devastated by the bushfires is such a great thing, and just a demonstration of the generosity of the Hmong community in Victoria. So thank you. I'm looking forward to further entertainment. I really love the Korean pop, K-pop dancers. I think it was the women last time, and this time the men. They're all really, really good. So thank you.